Hello all. So welcome to day 6 of my 100-day AI journey. So yesterday I have made one video in front of you all with the use of the Hagen, and on that day it was not being completed. The video was not completed. So let me show you what it has generated. See. HeyGen is an innovative platform that allows you to create stunning videos using AI technology. To get started, simply sign up for an account. Once you're in, you can choose from a variety of templates tailored for different purposes. Upload your script or use the built in text editor to craft your message. The AI will generate a video featuring realistic avatars that can speak your text. You can customize the visuals, backgrounds, and even the voice to match your style. Once you're satisfied, just hit the export button and your video is ready to share. It's that easy to create engaging content with HeyGen. See uh, what extremely well it has been generated, and you can translate this thing into the in your regional language or in whatever languages you want. So that was all about the Hagen, right? So today what I have gone through is about the 11 labs. 11 Labs is the free AI voice generator or the platform for the voice agents platform. So today I'll be going to talk about only the voice generator, right? So this is the interface that we will land whenever you are coming to this 11 Labs. So go for the sign up with your Google account. Till now what I have used, like I have used many other tools here and there, but out of all of these things the 11 labs is the uh, best, best for the voice recording or for cloning your voice or for uh, text to speech, voice changer, voice isolator. There are so many features in this 11 labs. So let me dive into this tool. So my name is Bishwadip. What is your preferred language? Yes. Okay. Let's say I've heard it from Google. Personal use. You can choose any of the things, even though it will be showcasing on the sideline that what are the features available. So you can skip this part. It will show you the pricing, that what is the starter price, 440 per month. Then for the creator, for the initial month, it is giving you at half the price, that is 968 per month. When you are, if you go for the yearly, see what is the price it's showing. So it totally depends on what kinds of upgrades that you are going to do. But initially I will prefer to try with, because 11 labs is providing you 10,000 credits initially on the free plan or on the free tier. So use that, and after that you can use the more advanced plans over here. You can check the explore the all plans. It will show you all types of plans available for the 11 labs. See, so currently for the 11 creatives, okay, so let me tell you there are three parts. For the 11 labs, 11 creative is there, 11 agents, and the 11 API. So 11 creative is for generating or creating all kinds of images, videos, voice cloning, music, speech to text, then audiobook, dubbing, everything you can do into this 11 creative. Whenever you click on this 11 agents, you try to build something, you try to build some agents who will work on behalf of you, to say for the reception when you are when you are calling some receptionist or you are calling some helpline numbers, some voice agents will be talking to you. So these are these voice agents that has been that are being created with the use of the 11 labs, right? Now coming to the 11 API is a different thing. I'll come into a later point of time when I'll be diving into the different projects. So where I need to pull out or bring in the API keys and can use it directly in the 11 in some other places, so that it can directly create whatever response or the output that I want, right? So today my main focus will be on this 11 creative, right? Here also you can check the plans for uh, each of the features over here. So for the initial month you have been allotted with 10,000 credits on the free trial. You are currently on the free plan. And then monthly, so that is the planning structure. Now you can check what are the features available for each of the plans mentioned. Then these are the FAQs mentioned, right? So let me dive into this 11 Labs home page. See, you can change the theme to dark or into the light mode. So for the benefit of today's video, I'm going to show into the light mode only, or light theme. So firstly, I want to tell you that these are the some of the features that you can use over here in 11 Labs: instant speech, audiobook, image and video, 11 agents, music, dub video. So let me dive into this voice first, right? Check. Here there are so many voices present here. Let me
ओह, रॉन्ग साइज मिला। नो वरीज, एक्सचेंज रिक्वेस्ट अभी रेज कर देती हूँ। पिकअप जल्दी स्केड्यूल हो जाएगा।
see. Let me play another one. This is a Hindi version. Let me play some American English.
Hi, my name is Cherry Twinkle, and I am so very excited to meet you. I was just about to pick some cherries. Would you like to help?
Okay, so you got it. That you can play any of these voices right now. Means you can choose any of the voices to be in your any social media platform or not. And see, there are tools, plus button, then use voice and more actions, copy voice links, copy voice ID or view similar. So let me click into this. Currently in my voices I don't have anything, right? Now if I want to add any of the voices from here under the my voice, where I will be using those voices at a later point of time, I can do with this plus button. See, Matthew, hissing and sinister. So this voice will be added under my voice tab. See, okay. So this has been added already. So you can add multiple number of voices under your my voice tab. And also there are so many languages: Chinese, Arabic, Bulgarian, Che, then Danish, Dutch, English, Filipino. So there are so many languages you can choose it from. And say I want to choose an Hindi or Hindi version also, I'll be adding to this under my voices tab. See, now I will be having three voices under here. See, okay. So when you will be giving some prompts and asking the syllable labs to create any video and you can use these voices instead of your own voice. And also you have the option to create your own voice. See, voice design. So currently I've been given with only I can create three voices out of my own. See, 0 by 3 created. Okay, and instant voice clone. For this I need some premium plans, also for the professional voice clone and the voice remixing. So let me give you the voice design. Okay, so this is the prompt that has been given: generate voice. It will take away my 350 credits. See, this voice generation will cost 350 credits. If you go to the settings, you can you can configure this loudness and also the guidance skill. So leave it as of now. Okay, so I'll tell it generate voice.
Your weapons are but toothpicks to me! Surrender now, and I may grant you. Your weapons are
See,
but toothpicks to me!
it's
Surrender
it's
now,
always
and
showing.
I may grant you a swift end.
See, it's showing you
I've
what type of
toppled
action,
kingdoms
what is
and
that.
devoured armies. What hope do you have against me?
Currently, what is the character of that person? It's showing every details over there, right?
Your weapons are but toothpicks to
Fine.
me.
You can create your own voice over there with the use of the particular voices that is present over there. So that is all about my voices. You can you can check out over there, and say you want to create some character voices or for your own social media platforms or educational content. You can click on those and you can check the recommended versions of there. See, let me click on this.
कुछ बातें कही नहीं जाती, बस महसूस
I
की
think
जाती
you
हैं,
can always
और
hear
वही
this
एहसास
types of voices in your
कहानी को आगे बढ़ा
audiobooks
देता है.
or in Instagram when someone tries to say any kinds of story, or it's for the storytelling. So that's how you try to choose one of the voices from here. Advertisement.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur cette journée qui parle de l'intelligence artificielle.
I think it's French.
Need your brand to pop? I bring the energy that makes customers stop and listen. Let's make your business rise like a phoenix. Start your project.
Got it? So that's how you can choose your own voice. And also, if you want to directly use this voice in some other prompt where you've already got a script and you want to directly put that into it, so you can click on this. Say, where is this English? Huh. Click on this use voice and it will directly take you into the another interface. In this JSON friendly and approachable voice, it will create it will generate some voice. Say, hi, I am telling and describing my 100-day AI story in front of you all. So let me click on this generate speech, and currently I have 9,829 credits left. Okay, so let me click on this generate speech. Free tier usage disabled. We have temporarily disabled free access from your connection. I don't know what's happening. Maybe from the same IP address I was using other free versions. So maybe from their disabling the free usage from the same IP address. Okay, by putting a script over here, you can create this generate speech, right? And you can also configure the speed, stability, similarity, style exaggeration, and everything. Now, if you want to create an MP3 or MBV, and you can choose the model from here. See, there are different models, V1, V2. So every model, whenever there is a model upgradation, and at that time the credits also being used so much more when it's being compared to the lower model versions. Fine. So coming to the studio. See, create the faceless video, add captions, create dub, add voiceover video to music. Okay, before that, let me tell you this thing. Text to speech. Just now, what I've shown you, you can provide any kind of text or any kind of script to create the generate speech. Okay, and after that, you can download also the same in MP3 format. Now going to the sound effects. If you are the video editor or anyone who is trying to make some kinds of videos, I think this is the one of the best that to use those sound effects like in the videos. See, let me play you some sound.
ElevenLabs.
See,
ElevenLabs.
create a 1 minute cinematic soundscape for a logo intro.
ElevenLabs.
See, that's how you can create. Now it has given you all the different types of sound effects for different items: animals, bass, booms, brahms, brass, cymbals, devices, whatever you need, they have given it. Say for guitar. Okay.
ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs.
See why they are using this ElevenLabs. uh,
ElevenLabs.
you can't use it directly when you are on the free time,
ElevenLabs.
so you need to upgrade, and this 11 labs war will be
ElevenLabs.
removed. See, uh, you can choose any kinds of music from here. Let me hear another one.
ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs.
Got it. So now say you want to change this prompt: a heavily distorted electric guitar in the style of 1990s thrash metal, guitar turned down one whole step. Okay, whatever the prompt is, now you want to some modify those prompt, you can do that also. Here, see, describe a sound. I want an energetic EDM sound. Okay, I don't think it will be running this prompt right away because it has already restricted me from using any more free tier plan. Why is not showing anything?
ElevenLabs.
Click on this modify prompt. uh, EDM music, let's see. It's not generating. Fine, you can change the timing also. See, whenever you are increasing the timing, let's say currently it was on say 2.6 seconds, it will take away 26 credits, right? Now if I am increasing this to 30 seconds, it is taking away 300 credits. So it's all about the timing, how much prompting that you are giving, and what kind of output you are willing to get from it. And you can once you go to this upgraded plan, you can download this music in mp3 version, right? Now coming to this image and video, we have already gone through this Hejan and Leonardo.ai for creating amazing images or in videos. Similarly, you can create something similar in the 11 labs, right? Using Jammer, maybe some keep private. Okay. So see, whenever you click on any kinds of videos, you will
Imagine
see
enjoying cake again.
the
Soft,
whole
fluffy, and
prompt
warm
for this
without
kind of
gluten.
video is
Inside this
explained over
cookbook, you'll
here.
find 250
Now,
recipes for
and
gluten-free breads
it
and
is
cakes.
using the
Easy ingredients,
Sora 2
simple
model,
steps, incredible results.
and the
Tap now and
quality,
start.
how much memory it is being taken. If you want to extend the video, you can upscale the video, recreate using lip sync and edit in studio. If you edit in studio, it's similar to the any kinds of video editing platform. You are or you can edit the whole video directly in that editor. Then you don't need to go in any other platform where you need to again just download this from 11 labs and you need to upload into that app and work over there. So you don't require any kinds of things, you can directly work on this 11 labs. See, you are putting the video over here, you can give the prompts, and similarly it will provide the other or the extended part of that video. You can give the speech. Okay, now if you want to add some VFX or SFX, it's on you, and it always requires the upgraded plan, it won't be on the free tier. Then the music, you can use the music from the marketplace what I've shown you right now, and these are all for the commercial users. Whenever you go for the upgrade plan, it will be always for the commercial users, you can use in any of the social media platforms, and it won't be hampered or give you the copyright, right? Now if you want to go for the captions, say uh, impact, see, so that's how the captions will be entitled or given over the video. And you can use or give any other files over here by uploading or downloading the items, right? That's how you can do the video editing directly in the 11 labs platform.
Imagine enjoying cake again, soft, fluffy, and warm.
Nice. See, you can, the views video depicts a calm, somewhat mysterious atmosphere. So it's showing only the image out of it. And see, and if I want to extend this video, okay, so it will show you the first frame, then it will go to the end frame, what end frame you want. You can upload this file also, that say currently the horse is running in the open field, or maybe some drone is going and shooting the whole paddy land, and you want to give the end frame to somewhat define that the drone has been captured by the people who was shooting that video, so you want to keep that in as end frame. So similarly it will produce that kind of result, or you can use the prompt and it will be taken by the 11 labs. Now currently this model is being used, the Sidens 1.5 Pro. You can choose the other versions also, or the other models, that is the Kling 3.0 motion control. This is one of the top model that currently what's in the market to create an amazing videos over there in the Kling 3.0 motion control. Okay, and if you want to choose that, if you want to go for the lower credits versions, you can go for the mm, Gen 4 Turbo VO3 is also the best Sidens 1.5 Pro or 1 Pro. So these are the different models you can choose it from, right? Now for the voice isolator, let me give you an example and then tell you what is the use case of this voice isolator. Okay, it's being recording. uh, okay, now it will record. Hey, I am Bishwadip. Currently, I am making some AI videos, and currently, I'm on a journey of my 100-day AI mission, and it is to also showcase the audience or in document everything in the public that I'm building something. Okay, so now let me show you what is the output of it. See, where is that? Okay. I don't know what's happening. Okay, fine. I think my free tier got damaged. I need to go for the upgraded plan. Fine. Okay, let me tell you the use case of this voice isolator feature. As I was speaking or as I was recording some voice, I was making some background noises, right? You have heard it over here. So to remove that background noise, the voice isolator being used. Only whatever you speak or whatever you record, that voice only get downloaded, or you can isolate from that background noise. That is the main use case of this voice isolator. You may have heard about this noise cancellation earbuds or headphones. So that is the main thing, that you are removing all kinds of other external noises or the voices except your own voice what you are recording. So that is the uh, main USP of this voice isolator. Now coming to this voice changer, you can record one audio. Okay, say you can record one audio and you can change it to another voice or with the use of the another model also. Hi guys, so this is me Bishwadeep and I'm on 100 day AI journey. So I'm currently showing the voice changer feature, that how it's affecting and how everyone can change the voice into any other voice, and also using the another model also. Okay, uh, generate speech. Sorry. Okay, so whatever you have recorded, the same thing you can generate. I have recorded this kindly uh, one topic. Okay, it's on my own it's using my own voice, but whenever you are going to generate speech, this model and this voice will generate what I have talked over here. That is the voice changer, that how your voice has been changed into someone else's voice. Okay, if you think your voice is not accidentally responding, or it's not coming out nicely, you can choose the different models or the different voice over here. Okay, that is the use case of this voice changer. Now let me show you how this music works. See,
Don't rush, I like you when you take your time. Slow down.
Walking past the kebab
see,
shop,
when you
lights
click
are on
on
but
the
the
save
floors are wet.
option, it will be under
Check
the
my phone
saved
light.
option. And see history. See, what I've saved, it will be under the saved tab. Okay, so you can use this music also while this is a music marketplace. When you are trying to edit any kinds of videos, that time I have shown you one video, and it went directly to the video editor platform. There you can use this from the music marketplace and you can use this music, and you can also remix in one of your own projects also. Say say you want to use this music, and you need to put some other music with it also. So at that time you can remix all the music together and create a beautiful uh, music from that. You can create the genre, then mood, what kind of mood you want, energetic, relaxing, romantic, whatever kind of mood, theme, duration, 8 p.m. or sorry, BPM, and the vocals, has vocals or instrumental only. If I click on instrumental only, then it will give you only the instrumental types. No voice will be there, or no lyrics will be there, only the vocals will be there playing. Okay, so that's all about the music feature, that is the music marketplace. Okay, now coming to the speech to text. You are transcribing any files, you are giving any files over here. Okay, primary language, it will be auto detecting whatever the language you want. Or you can do one thing, you can go to the YouTube, right? Take one uh, you take one link and provide over here, and after that uh, you give the details, and it will be transcribed in whatever language you want. Detecting of language, or in what type of voice it's speaking, and it can auto detect and auto change into whatever languages you want. Say I want currently the language is spoken is in English, and you want to change into Chinese or Russian, and it will be giving you the options in the drop downs that which language you want to choose, and you can choose it from, and after that it will be auto transcribe into that language. That is all about the speech to text. Now coming to the more tools, that is the dubbing, auto native, production, audiobooks and templates. So there are some predefined templates, like I think if you have ever gone through the Canva or uh, some other, say if you are the web designer, you have gone through the um, website builder pages, there are some predefined templates, okay, that you can use it. See, before and after, from the anime, from the photo to the cartoon or the upscale an image, see the resolution difference, right? See the facial expression, how the facial expression is changing. So it's all depends on the prompt. Okay, let me go to this animal generator. It is showing me this picture. Now if I want to change it to, say I want to change it to make it a lion, upload the image, or see, run for running this workflow it will take you 251 credits, but it don't generate right now because I am out of the free tier. Oh man, see, I am violating, I am disabled. Leave it. You can do that instead of me. Whatever prompt or you can give, you give any kinds of prompt and it will generate that kind of image. Okay, so that's how you can use this one template section. Then go to the audiobooks. It is for creating some kinds of audiobooks in kinds of series version, right? And you can also publish to this 11 reader. It is the ebook, uploading your ebook to the 11 reader platform where the people can hear the voice or hear or can learn any kind of story from that 11 reader. And here you can create the audiobook, upload a document, or create some series, or you can create some audiobooks, or you can go for the new blank audiobook where you can auto scripted will be there, like you just copy and paste the script and it will be automatically dubbed into that language also, in whatever languages you want, in series by series or by chapter by chapters, like what we see in the web series or something. So it's similar kind of thing, but it should all be on audio, no visuals will be there. So that is the main differentiator between these audiobooks. Okay, see, you paste something, get started with the document, you can just upload any kind of document over here, or the URL or a narrative story. It will be taking all the text from here, from your speech, and will generate what in what voice you want. So with this facility it will can give you the audiobook series. Okay, so productions, dub, audiobook, transcript, captions, translated subtitles. Say for you are making some videos, you want some captions, so you can create this .srt files or other files to be embedded with that YouTube file. Okay, so that's how it's been working on this production system. It will be, and kindly production disabled, please contact. I know. Okay, so you can create this new order also. It will show you that how it works, the translated subtitles, transcript, dub and audiobooks. Now coming to the auto native. The audio native is that, like, let me show you the
Logic will
example.
get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
To use this part you need to upgrade this audio native to the upgraded plans. Okay, so like what does it do, like if I tell you in a simple languages. Say uh, there is kind of, say, some web pages are there, and you want to convert that whole web page text into speech, so it will convert that from the audio native. So that's how it will work, and it can create some other audiobooks also, that kindly this is in the web page and it's being transcribed into this, say, audiobook chapter 1. So that's the use case of this audio native. Dubbing, right? Everyone we see any kinds of movies is being dubbed. Say we have seen some, say, French, English, uh, French, Russian movies that has been dubbed into English versions. So similar thing, only you can create your own dub by uploading any kinds of files, and it will be automatically creating to dub. But I won't be I won't be able to use it. I need to upgrade this plan. See, your video will be dubbed in standard resolution and it will include a watermark. Only creator and plus plans can change this. So even though you are using the starter plan or the free tier plan, you cannot use this created dub uh, feature. That's all about the all of the features in this 11 labs under the 11 creative. So maybe in the upcoming days, say when I'll be trying to making any projects with the use of this AI tools, I may use the uh, 11 agents or the 11 API. That time I will show you. But as say as for the starter, I think this is enough to start any kinds of thing with this 11 labs. So that's all about me today. uh, what I've gone through and what I've made some 11 labs and how to use this 11 labs. So I've got somewhat an understanding how to use this, and what is the use case and what are the applications of it and where can I use it. So if I want to tell you where I can use it, you can use in all your social media contents. Then if you're building some of your own companies, you can use this as a voice agent also, or you can create some image videos, whatever, to showcase or to simplify things. So that's all, that how you can use this. And say you are running some Instagram channels, so and you won't be able to shoot all the voices from your end, so you just put the script over here, uh, choose a voice, and it will be automatically narrated by that voice changer. After that you can directly download and put in the Instagram. So that's how you need to think, that how I can use it kinds of in any applications or anywhere. So that's one of the use case that I mentioned about. You can uh, research and do more of this with the use of the ElevenLabs. Thank you everyone. That's all for day 6. Meet you on day 7.